In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Otter.ai to transcribe audio and video files seamlessly. Whether you're a student looking to capture lecture notes or a professional needing to transcribe meetings, Otter.ai is a fantastic tool that can make the process quick and easy. So let's dive in and see just how it works. First, you need to open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Otter.ai website. This is where everything begins. If you're not already familiar with it, Otter.ai is a web-based platform that offers transcription services powered by advanced voice recognition technology. It's quite a handy tool when you need accurate transcriptions. Once you're on the website, take a look at the top right corner where you'll find the option to log in. If you haven't already, you'll need to create an account, which is a straightforward process involving a few simple steps to provide your information and confirm your email. But assuming you've already got an account, go ahead and click on the login button, enter your credentials, and you're in. After logging in, you'll notice there are three main options available to you in the top right corner for how you want to proceed with transcribing your content. These options offer different methods depending on your needs, and you can choose the one that best fits your scenario. The first of these options is to paste a meeting URL. This particular option is useful if you're looking to transcribe a live meeting. Otter.ai can integrate with certain web conferencing tools, providing you with an easy way to capture live speech directly from your online meetings. Just copy the URL from your meeting software and paste it into Otter.ai. Next, if you have pre-recorded content that you need to transcribe, you can choose the import option. This allows you to upload an existing audio or video file directly from your device, whether it's a lecture, a podcast, or a video presentation. Simply select the file you need transcribed and Otter.ai will handle the rest. Lastly, if you're looking to capture speech in real time, you can choose the record option. Just tap the record button to start capturing the audio. This feature is particularly beneficial if you're attending a lecture or an in-person meeting, allowing you to transcribe the content on the go. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you can effectively utilize Otter.ai for all your transcription needs. It's a powerful tool designed to make the transcription process effortless and efficient. I hope this guide has been helpful in getting you started. Don't forget to explore more features of Otter.ai as you get more comfortable. And as always, thank you for watching.